All right. So, Srishti, you've been managing and working on a diversity event since morning today. How has been the experience?
The experience has been immense. I mean, the kind of answers has been diverse as the convention. I had the opportunity to interact with so many people from diverse groups. I mean, I interacted with someone from the LGBTQ community. I interacted with someone who was disabled himself and telling him, and really educating me. It's really a great experience to talk of, and I look forward to more such events.
So, where did this word Vikuti come? What does it mean?
So, Equity came with a concatenation of two words, we and equity, and wherein it means that together we are not equal, but equity. That is, everybody is on the same level, no matter how or what all do they have. So, yeah, that's the perception which comes in, and also what you can also take out from is W and equity. That is women together and having the equal opportunities. So yeah, many meanings from one word, I'll say.
Thank you.